Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Barclays Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in barclays.co.uk and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Barclays Bank. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the blue login button at the top section. You will then be taken into the login page. Now you can either log in using your membership number, your card number, or your sort code and account number. So choose whichever option you want and then just go ahead and type in your credentials. Firstly, go ahead and type in your last name and then enter your membership number, which is of 12 digits. Finally, click on the Continue button and you will be logged into your account with Barclays Bank. In case you forgot your login details, simply scroll down and then click on How to reset your memorable word and passcode. And then from there, you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Barclays Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.